Hey, Pete here with Small Business Resource Center with some pretty exciting news. I wanted to share the stock before, but a lot of times I try not to share stuff that's too speculative or too risky, despite the fact that I do support it. That's AMC. So, AMC and GameStop, if you saw what happened in the past, um, some people call them meme stocks. They were heavily shorted by a lot of big companies like Citadel Capital. There's a problem with Robinhood where Robinhood actually stopped GameStop from trading and it caused the stock to crash. So any stock trading involves risk, of course, but the good news is AMC has been making some pretty amazing changes, and their stock is pre-market was 9%. Now it's at 8%, but that's still a pretty good move for overnight. And some people are speculating higher. I'm going to put in the community section, where do you think AMC is going to be? Is it going to go down? Is it going to trade sideways, or is it going to go up? Maybe 35. Well, it's already up higher than that. I'll 40, 50, 60, or 60 or more. It's going to be in the chat, the link. But what the reason why is important, sorry, I got ADD, blah, blah, blah. And I'm just recording this before I go to the gym. But they had 2,000% increase in sales. Of course, coronavirus affected their business. Ticket sales are up 15%. Food and beverage sales up 42%. Passes are up. Movie passes 68%. They're planning on getting 10 new locations. They're also planning on setting up something with Epic Games and partnering with GameStop, coincidentally, to maybe do gaming events at the locations. I kind of think that's great because GameStop was thinking about trying to do events, but they don't have the space. If you ever went to a GameStop store, it's not like they have space, but maybe they can go to the local AMC theaters and partner with them. Great idea. They're also planning on accepting Bitcoin, also potentially Doge, somebody else said, but this doesn't say that. Apple Pay and Google Pay will also be accepted. They're also planning potential sporting events, and they're saying that the executives have to hold their shares for 2 to 8 years, no selling. So they can't, profit off of what's happening now and then sell. So when you're looking at a lot of these changes, AMC's been listening to the shareholders, and the shorts are actually getting killed. And that's one other reason why I'm bullish on this. I actually think shorting stock should be illegal because people are profiting off of businesses doing bad. And the problem when you have that is if they're losing money, if you ever look at stocks, all of a sudden when stocks are doing good and companies are shorting, they have bot farms and they have people that are paid. They just post all over and tell people to get out of the stock, and they actually start going back. Companies actually have gone bankrupt and said they actually had no problems until people started shorting their stock. So it is a big problem. But anyways, this stock is at 36. Where's it going to go? Last time it squeezed, it went up to close to 70. This says 62.55, but I could have swore it was way closer to 70. A lot of people are saying this stock that I'm looking at is AMC is going to go close to 70 or even more. Nancy Pelosi's husband also bought 500,000 shares about a week ago. So, for some reason, they always seem to get into stocks before they shoot up a lot, but they never get in trouble. I don't understand how. They must have a crystal ball. This stock, however, I am bullish on it. Where's it going to go? I don't know. It's not any information to buy or sell, but I'm curious. Put it in the chat. I'm going to have the community question. AMC, is it going to go down? Is it going to level? Is it going to go up? So 40, 50s, or 60 plus. I'm thinking this is going to be very, very bullish until next week, and who knows what's going to happen after that. And the main reason is because of everything that's going on, the changes they're making, and all the people that are heavily invested in AMC that don't want it to short because they don't like the hedge funds that have screwed them over in the past. Well, it's Pete from the Small Business Resource Center. Have a great day. And if you're invested in something else, comment below. I want to know.